Hey guys, Carol Family here, and today we are here with our second weekly vlog. And right now we are on a walk. We are currently at our cousin's cabin. Nobody really goes here during the winter. Like, we just found a bike on the ground that was frozen over. So since this is only week 2, I'm gonna introduce everyone. This is the youngest, Cody. This is the second youngest, Owen.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang,
Behind the
Gucci.
camera is Allison. I'm Riley. I'm the oldest.
I'm Owen, and I'm the
This is Grandma. She's on her
beastiest.
phone, so let's not.
I'm Owen, and I'm the beastiest out of the family.
This is Grant.
Yeah.
He's a pretty.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
And then
Bloody D-Box. Bloody D-Box.
what does that mean?
Sacramento Kings.
Okay. And then that's
Chris
our mom.
Webber. Bloody
She's like
D-Box.
And
23
then,
years old.
yeah. Our
And then
mom's
this is the
23,
Gucci
and then our
kid.
dad is
Running.
40.
he's
running?
like on a run or something.
Oh my.
So this is near our cabin. It's a couple streets down. So
Hello. Today we are in Tahoe and it's our last day in Tahoe. So yeah, here's Allie.
do not call me Allie.
Okay. I guess she's Allison.
You never call me Allie. Where did that come from?
I don't know. So
My hands are freezing off. Even though I have gloves in my hand.
and
I'm still, like, too lazy.
I am eating snow.
No, these are. And by the way, today is Sunday. Wait, what's today?
The 20.
The 30th. Okay, and by the way, today is Sunday, December 30th, 2018.
It's New Year's Eve.
Okay.
You're so cool.
It's New Year's Eve.
Okay, I'm freezing. Okay.
It's the eve.
Bye, we're heading back now. Hey guys. Welcome to my cooking segment. Just kidding. But I'm making hot chocolate for Owen and me because Riley doesn't like hot chocolate. And Cody doesn't feel good, like his stomach hurts, so. Yeah. And it's 4:15 right now. And I'm so impatient. I just want it to be ready. It literally takes forever because I put so much water in there, but it's fine. We're watching the 49ers. And wait,
That should have been a flag.
when is it gonna whistle? Mom, is it whistling?
No. You'll hear it.
I can hear it.
Not funny.
Okay, I'll get back to you when it's whistling.
That's whistling.
Okay, it's whistling now. So I have to turn it off. And my mom's concerned about me with boiling water. So I have to be extra careful. Oh, be careful. Thank you, Owen.
Yeah.
I know you're very concerned about me.
Yeah, the Rams made.
We don't have enough milk, so you have to use half and half.
No, Elton, actually you can use the milk.
It's milk.
Milk. No, it's not milk, it's milk.
Milk. No, it's
This
milk.
one's mine, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
Oh! Whoa! You know those people who like put designs in their hot chocolate?
How?
I don't know. Oh! Okay, 1 second, I spilled a little bit.
Where?
On the counter.
Can I eat this?
You can drink it, but it might be hot.
That's why I'll get a
Oh
spoon.
shoot, I forgot to mix it! LOL. I forgot to mix it.
What?
It's
Not all
good.
people
Wait.
know what a spoon is.
That's why.
It's good. Wait, what's do you want?
No. Yeah, it would.
Yeah, it would. We didn't put
No,
cinnamon
don't put
in
cinnamon.
it. Nothing from there.
Put vanilla.
No.
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Mhm. It's on your left.
Sirloin seasoning?
Yeah, we put that in.
Exactly.
Ground cinnamon? That's kind of gross.
Okay. Whatever, it's good.
What?
I hope you liked my cooking segment, or my segment.
Your segment of cooking.
My
your
series.
segment.
Just kidding.
We should make a series of how to do hot chocolate.
How
You put
many-
salt, pepper,
Pepper.
lemons, grapes.
Okay, so it is a new day. Today is New Year's Eve, I have no idea, 31st, and I'm just doing some last minute things because we are leaving for home, but first we are going to be stopping and seeing our puppy that we are getting in about 3 weeks.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog here.
We are trying to get in the car. How are you doing, Cody?
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Okay, got it.
Okay, there's a lot
yell
of
that.
stuff here.
You guys feeling Gucci today?
And here is Emerald Bay. If you ever go to South Lake Tahoe, you will probably go here because everybody,
You're most likely to go here.
every tourist goes
I found
here.
my phone. It
So,
fell
yeah.
in between the seats.
That's cool.
Now I have to get it. Oh. Hey guys, we are on our way to
Disneyland.
No, we're not. We're not going to Disneyland.
We are going to look at our puppy and
we
pick
are
one
meeting
out.
our dog.
I'm so excited. We've been wanting a dog for the longest time.
Longer than I can remember. At least, what, 17, 16 years? Longer than I've been alive.
Cody and Owen are focused on their video games right now.
Yeah, because
Well-
it's very important.
Yeah,
the
man.
gaming world is important.
Yeah.
And I am saving
This shark thing is
the
so
first
lame.
vlog. So we moved the camera over here since the boys are just talking about their video game.
Yeah, okay, so let's tell them what kind of dog we're getting.
We're getting a
A-
pit bull.
Australian Shepherd!
We're getting a lab.
So we're getting an Australian Shepherd. And
We're getting a miniature.
we are getting a dog because we've been wanting one for the longest time, like we said.
And our grandparents had an Aussie.
And she was literally like, we loved her and we watched her all the time because our grandparents always went on trips. And then she like just recently passed away. And so our grandparents aren't getting another dog because they travel and stuff.
So we're gonna get one
So
instead.
we're gonna get one, and so we are literally so excited. And so we've been contacting this lady for a couple weeks now.
And we no,
We're not gonna reveal the name
yet.
until we get it. But we've seen pictures of the dog. We're pretty sure we picked out one, but we have to meet it. And
There's like two we're deciding between.
yeah, we're gonna get a black tri. We're pretty sure, unless there's like a cuter one, but I don't think there is.
Dad won't let us get another kind of dog.
I
Yeah.
want a red try.
But we are so excited, so we'll see you there.
And I love it! We're very excited. Cody obviously is overexcited.
I'm gonna be the favorite. The dogs
No, I
like
am.
me the best.
No way.
I don't care what you say, the dogs
No way.
like me the best. Chloe likes me the best.
Yeah, that's because you actually let her into a room.
Mom, how far are we? Well, you have
We're
to-
1 hour away.
Yeah, we're
Cody,
driving
1
around.
hour until we get to puppy. Let it snow. 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 Okay, this is getting cringy.
Guys, we are here and we're going in the gate right now.
Yeah, she has like this gate. She just opened it up.
I'm so
Please
excited.
don't hit a dog.
Please don't hit a dog. What if the dogs are right there? I would die. Oh my gosh, I'm so
There's
excited.
a crate right there. Maybe they're in there.
Oh yeah. gosh, that is the cutest dog. Oh my
Is that an
gosh.
Australian Shepherd?
Yes.
Oh, we couldn't get that one?
Oh my gosh.
No. We're getting a puppy, Cody.
Aw. Okay, we're here. We're gonna see it. Look at how cute she is. It's the one we think we're getting.
Her name's Snow right now, but one day.
And then there's the dad. And then where are the other puppies?
A dog is a good recall.
Hey, puppy. This is the boy.
She's over there.
This is the girl.
Oh. There's never, a lot of people use PG pads for puppies. It's costs for it. The problem with that is one, it's fun to tear apart. So you're gonna have a mess. And you might have something.
Guys, we just met the puppies and they're so cute and we picked one out. And we kind of knew that we were going to go for this one, but
Yeah.
we officially picked it out. Oh my gosh, that was the funnest thing. That was so cute. I love that. And we were just holding them, playing with them.
Okay, so we've been home for a while now, and the boys just suggested to play hide and go seek. And I'm like, you know what? I haven't played that game in like 5 years, so why not? So yeah, we're gonna play. And I guess, so I'm the seeker first?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll go in my room.
No hiding in mom and dad's room.
Okay, and count to what?
60.
60? Okay. So 1 minute. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna set a timer on my phone. But yeah. Okay, so 60 seconds is up. Now, I believe... Allison, are you here? Yeah. Okay, so they didn't go in Allison's room. Allison, no hiding the boys. Don't hide the boys. Okay, I'm pretty sure they are not upstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs, and when I think that they could be around, I will let you know. Okay, so I think I hear breathing somewhere around here. Yeah, I didn't think they're in here.
Hello.
Hey, I found Cody. Wait, get out, Cody. Get out, and I gotta make sure Owen's not in here too.
Owen's a good hider. No, he's not. He's not in there.
Okay. What? What is that? What? Okay, that was a good one. I'm up here. I'm hiding in my room. Yes, I got him. Was that a good prank, Cody? I was like, I'm gonna make him walk near me, near that spot a few times, and then I'm just gonna jump out when he's not expecting. Yes.
Hey guys, sorry for the bad quality. It's dark outside, but I'm on my trampoline because I was getting tired and I didn't want to fall asleep. And I was getting bored of like watching YouTube, which is what the boys are doing. So I'm out here on my trampoline. I will show you some of the things I do on my trampoline, and don't mind my outfit. Yeah, I just kind of threw something together because that's what I always do, because no one's gonna see me. But I just realized everyone's gonna see me. It's okay. So I'm with my friend Jessie at her house.
Okay, I need to stop.
I'm eating it! Guys, it's no!
There's ash everywhere from the fire.
It's coming from the fire?
Why is it in here?
And Lucy over here.
Joking. Oh my gosh, I think Daddy. What? I swear, a little kid just called me Daddy. Oh my gosh.
And Julia.
Yes, it is.
Guys.
Hey guys! Hi Ryan!
Hi, Jessica.
Who remembers my name?
Hi.
You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. You go find another girl and he won't miss ya. And he just wanna hit the job like Wiz Khalifa.
Okay, so as you know, it is Christmas Eve, and we just watched the ball drop, sort of, in New York. How you feeling, Owen? It is not yet 2019 for us, though, but we are having some ice cream cake, and okay, and Martinelli's. So yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna roast him back. I'm gonna roast him back. Ready? Hey, is it ready? It's the 80s call. They want their hair back.
Yeah, but you stole it because how ugly you are.
So we are obsessed with this little kid. He's the cutest thing on earth. Like, oh my gosh, you don't even know. He's so cute. We're gonna hook up a play date with him.
Yeah, and
I have
getting lit.
Oh yeah, you have an idea?
When I'm old enough, I'll have a sleepover with you guys.
Oh wow! Okay. Oh my God, that was so precious. You know those drawings that you drew for me? You should print one out for them.
Oh,
This is the kid that was roasting us earlier. But it's okay, we forgive him.
Is this your house?
Yep.
No!
No, this is our house, Joe.
Okay. Mom's sleeping. But anyway, so it is obviously New Year's Eve, and we are exactly 1 minute away. It is 11:59. Owen's here, Cody's here, Dad is there, and I got my Martinelli's ready. I know normally people drink it right after New Year's Eve, but since we have a bet going in our family who can go without desserts the longest in 2019, we can't have desserts after midnight, so I'm gonna have it right before.
30, 19, 20.
Oh, and you're not gonna take the last sip? No, don't.
Happy New Year!
Yay. Happy New Year. Another year gone by.
Yeah, now 2019. No more 2018.
Now it's 2019. This dessert, this was my last dessert for a long time, probably till at least the end of track season.
My Fitbit says 1/1, which means January 1st. No more 2018.
Nice.
Guys, you know my ear's gonna suck when my camera died right after yours hit. Wait, did it die as soon as it hit? It died as soon as it hit. My New Year's phone. Like at this moment, my camera. Are you excited?
Yeah, and I no longer smell fresh air anymore.
Me too. Yeah, I bought my foot like a gazillion times.
Okay, so I am in my room right now. It is currently, hold on, 1:03 right now. Let's see what everyone else is doing. Okay, so it looks like Owen is downstairs. I'm gonna go down there in a little bit. We had plans at 2, so yeah. And my sister, I don't know if she's doing the challenge or not. I don't think so. So she's probably going to bed soon. So yeah. Okay, Owen is here and still up. You're on your iPad with your friend, it looks like.
Yeah, he's staying up too.
What?
He's staying up too, so
Okay.
we're each other so we don't fall asleep.
Okay, well. Yeah. And Allison sounds like she's coming out of her room. She is doing the challenge. So yeah. And so I guess Allison is doing the challenge because she is down here. It is currently.
I'm not gonna make it though.
It is 1:30 right
My
now.
goal is 3.
That's an easy goal.
No,
I say
it's
4.
not.
And we are just hanging out. Okay, so we are about to go running outside at 2 a.m. It is actually 1:56, but we're just gonna leave. And yeah, this is how we stay up. It's just going out and running. 2 a.m. run, let's go. Let's flip and go. Yeah. Okay, so we just got back from our run. We just went for like 1 mile, easy 8-minute pace. So, yeah, that's that. We did see one person out like at the street over there, and literally he like stopped for a moment, like looked at us, and then kept going, which was kind of funny. But like, yeah, us running in our short shorts, no shirt. It's kind of cold out there, so
Yeah.
I can understand why he thought we were a little bit weird. But yeah, now we're gonna probably bundle up a bit more and go outside on the trampoline.
Okay, so we are on our trampoline, and
It is currently 2:21.
we brought blankets because it's really cold.
It's 40 degrees out here.
Yeah, but so we're just gonna hang out for a while, charge up our phones.
And try to stay awake.
Yeah.
Okay, Allison's hair is all over the place. It's all staticky.
We're playing
Can
truth.
we go back inside? Because I'm super cold.
No, oh, and you're supposed to put on warmer clothes.
Okay, so I am too tired, and I just want to go to bed. So, good night, everyone. And the boys look like they're still gonna stay up, but I'll still play Game Pigeon probably a couple times in bed, but not that much. So, I will see you tomorrow. Oh wait, I meant later today.
And Mom is up.
Seriously, guys?
Mom's up.
Where's Cody?
He wants us.
Oh, Dad made him go to bed a long time ago, like 11:30.
Oh.
No.
Alice.
You have to stay for New Year's.
room, people?
And then Allison lasted till like 3:30, 4:30.
Oh.
About 4. About 4.
So what are you guys doing now? Just hanging out?
Just hanging out.
Yeah. We have 3 more hours until we hit 24 hours.
Yep.
Okay, let's take a shower.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, it is light outside because it is the next morning. Although it's not really a morning for us because we stayed up all night. It is currently 7:58, and we're going to head in bed probably not get as much sleep today. But yeah, we actually did it. We went a full 24 hours without sleeping. Yeah, because we woke up at 8 yesterday morning. And yeah, we haven't slept since we were in Tahoe.
Yep.
And now we are going to sleep. Okay, so as you can see, it is actually past 8 o'clock. So officially 24 hours now. And yeah, I'm going to try to get some sleep and wake up probably around 1 or something. My mom or dad will probably wake me up. So yeah.
It is 10:26 right now, and I'm about to go to bed. I haven't vlogged today. Well, technically I vlogged like this morning at like 1 a.m. but I fell asleep, so I did not do the 24-hour challenge. Yeah, it just didn't seem worth it. I wanted my sleep. I made it to like 4, I think. So I should have just stayed up, but it's fine. But I am about to go to bed now. I didn't vlog at all like after I woke up this morning. So yeah, I woke up at like 11, and then I've just been watching YouTube and been on my trampoline and hung out with the family. So today was a lazy day, but unfortunately tomorrow we all have dentist appointments, and I have to get my uniform fixed, and I'm going to the mall with my friend hopefully, so stay tuned for all that. But that is it for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are here at the dentist. Good morning, Riley.
Morning.
Riley's excited because he gets teeth pulled. How many pulled? 3. And I'm just going for a checkup. Our whole family is really slow with teeth, like really slow. And he hasn't.
5 baby teeth.
He has 5 baby teeth left. I have 2 baby teeth left. And Mom, no. Because they're right next to these ones. But anyways. So I still haven't gotten braces yet, and I'm 14, and our teeth are really slow. So we're going into the dentist here, and I will see you later. Okay.
$100 at the dentist.
Yeah, so we just got in the car from the dentist, and I have to get my tooth fixed, the one that I chipped, and they put some like stuff on it to like protect it until I get it filled. Plus I have a wiggly tooth, which my mom said she would give me $50 if I get it on myself. And Riley got his teeth pulled, so he can't really talk right now. So I'm doing it for him. It was great. Just kidding. These are his teeth. Ugh, kind of gross. But here you go.
Actually, Allison, I hate to tell you, but this is like a not all the way in tooth, so it only cost me $35 to get it pulled.
No!
I'll give you $35.
Mom! Ah, dang it. So I guess I get 35. At least it's better than nothing, right?
35 is still like you can actually get them.
That's like as much as a shirt. Whatever. So hopefully I'm going to the mall with my friends still. But yeah, they put on that like sealant stuff that they put at the end, and it's disgusting. Usually it's better, but today it tasted really good in the beginning. It tastes like vanilla, and then it now tastes like bananas, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's okay. So yeah, I have to get my tooth filled that I got chipped here from my cheer accident. And yeah, and if I don't get out this one tooth, then they're gonna pull it at the same time as they do this. Okay, so I'm here with Bella, and we are at the mall.
We're back for round 50.
And we're about to go in and
We're
spend
not
all
gonna
our money.
forget the exit. We're not going to forget it, right, Dawson?
Right.
Right.
Okay. And there's sketchy people here, but it's fine, right?
Yeah.
We're going to the food court first because it's 1:40 and we haven't eaten yet. Peace out. Hey guys, so I just redid my makeup, and I'm like teaching her like makeup techniques because
I don't know makeup.
yeah.
I have it all over my hand now. See that,
And
guys?
now I have a mess, but it's fine. I can clean it up.
But I wanted to show you my favorite thing that I got today when going to the mall. I got the Naked Urban Decay Cherry Palette, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm wearing it right now, and I love it. This is it. Wait, let me go in better lighting so you can see it. But I definitely recommend it. It was definitely worth a portion of my Christmas money. But here it is, and I love it. So I definitely recommend it. Like I said, and the reason why I got this one is because I have this Subculture Anastasia palette, which I love, and this is my favorite color, which is All Star. And so this palette has literally all different shades of All Star, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, I was just teaching her some makeup techniques. We're gonna go on the trampoline, and then we have to go to tumbling. Wait, you should spend the night. If you can, but we'll see. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. Okay, so Belle and I are now on our way to tumbling, and we are getting back into it after the break, after like Christmas break and holiday break, whatever. So we are finally getting back into it, and maybe I'll put some videos in of us tumbling. So yeah.
Okay, so we just got back in the car.
From tumbling.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I see it. And
I was a noodle.
yeah, it wasn't the best tumbling day.
And the first class, I was like crying because I was in pain. In the second class, I was just like, I went crazy, and like I started during my tumbling. Then I felt like really limp and dizzy, and then I was like, guys, I'm tumbling like a noodle. And then I told everyone, don't tumble like a noodle. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
I only got one video of me tumbling, and it wasn't the best.
I videoed it.
So I'm gonna put it in, but I'm just warning you that it's really bad, and I just got back from break, so don't blame me.
She was a noodle.
It was really bad. It wasn't the
mean,
best
like-
tumbling day because last time I was tumbling, I
Like, did you feel
injured
shaky?
my face. No,
Yeah. Did
I
you?
just felt like I had no power.
I felt really shaky like a noodle.
Okay, have you told me that?
Gotta be a dry noodle, an uncooked noodle.
You know, I'm just gonna put the camera over here. Okay, so
You have to shape this for 1 week. I'm not doing
2 weeks, 1 week.
No, it's been 1 week.
No, it's
You
been 2
silly.
weeks.
No, we only had one week off.
No, we didn't.
We have 2 weeks for break. We had last week
Oh
off.
yeah.
Allison.
it. Well, I think it is 2 weeks from 2.
What's going on in here?
What?
What's going on?
So we put our books on this like stack in an area, and now we're putting it in a stack.
Jeez, how many like big Nates and Dogmans do you have?
16 big Nates,
17.
17 big Nates, 6 dogs, 6 Dogmans, 11 I Survives, 13 Diary of a Wimpy Kids, 13 Diary of a Wimpy Kids, 11 I
Oh my
Survive.
gosh. You guys collect.
4
Yeah, you don't like to read.
4 Judy Blooms, 4 Judy Blooms, a Harry Potter. Okay, I can.
Now where are you gonna put them?
What? We're gonna put them back in the shelf.
The heck, and it's not even full? Oh my gosh.
It will be full all the way.
I mean, and there's still books left. Oh my
What?
goodness.
Oh, Cody. That hurt? No.
Good job.
Okay, one sec. See you tomorrow, viewers. See you tomorrow. Good
Thanks
night,
for
and thanks
watching.
for watching.
Yeah.
For today's vlog.
See you tomorrow.
Here, put the hardcover.
Morning, guys. Not much today. My sister is cooking waffles. My mom and dad are at work, and Riles is at some track thingy. Yeah. And the toaster just went off, didn't it? So we found this thing in the garage today that was
Our grandma dropped it off.
Was all of Chloe the dog stuff. Crate, which is gonna be for our dog, this fetchy launcher thingy, and a bin full of leashes and stuff. I did not know she had so much stuff because she didn't play with toys that much. Yeah, she wasn't a very dirty dog.
She wasn't a very dirty dog? Do dirty dogs play with toys?
Yeah,
So you're saying our dog's gonna be dirty?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. Nice, he just tripped over.
Bye, viewers.
We found her collar.
I know.
Oh wait, that shows the number on it. We can't show you that. Chloe Corcoran. Yeah. Waffles are ready. And I think I burned them a little bit. Oops.
Hello.
Hi. So, good morning everyone. We are here with our cousins and they just came over to play, right? And where are we going?
I'm not trampoline.
We're going on the trampoline. He loves the trampoline. You love it?
Yeah.
You want to go on?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are just playing with our cousins, like I said. And I'm playing with Cooper. Yay! Good job.
I say kaboom.
You did kaboom. Yeah, you want to show them? Do kaboom.
Go.
Oh, get up.
Get up.
He goes, get up. Oh, yeah. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
All better. Good job. You want me to do my flip?
Wow.
Whoa! Ready? I'll do my flip. Wow! Again? Wow! You want to show them how we do our doggy?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm a puppy.
You're a puppy.
I go backwards.
You're going backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. It fell. It's okay.
Huh?
Huh? He's so cute.
How ready? Ready? Huh? Huh?
Huh? That's Cooper. That's not Riley.
Cooper?
That's Cooper. Who?
Nelson?
Yeah, I'm Allison. Who else are cousins? There's
Cousin?
cousins. Who are cousins? Is there Owen?
Yeah.
Say Owen.
Owen.
Who else is there? Is there Cody?
Yeah.
Can you say Cody?
Africa. Cody.
Riley home? It's lunchtime. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to put him to nap time. Is it nap time?
Yeah.
He's a little hyper, but we're gonna try, okay? Okay. Guys, I got him to go to sleep. It was really, really hard. It was so hard, but he finally went to sleep, and I'm so happy. That literally took forever. He was crying. He did not want to go to sleep, but I got him to sleep. He looks so sad.
Cody, now.
Okay, Okay, so a package just came from Chewy.com, not sponsored, but this is some of the stuff we ordered for our dog.
Owen.
So it came faster than I expected, but this is for our dog. So we got a lot of dog stuff today, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, and beat it.
The doggy bag came. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got this rope here.
Oh, cool.
Tug of war.
What is this?
It's a ball.
Man.
Wait, do we get tug of war stuff?
Oh, that's if it pees on the floor, we can clean the floor.
Yay! Toothbrush, dental care.
Wait, Mom,
What is this?
It's a
I
thing
don't
you put
know.
on your finger.
Oh, is this tug of war thing?
Nope, that's definitely just a bone.
What is that?
Oh, this is a ball.
Chewy best.
Oh.
Stop putting stuff back in. Oh yes!
Is that?
It doesn't squeak.
That's the bear.
Oh yeah, it does. Why is it so hard right here?
Hey.
Oh, it's a cow. You got the cow?
Wait, what's the
bear
Where's
is
the cow? Is this a tug of war?
Yay!
Maybe use
The
this
bed
as a tug of
came.
war.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, so Allison's storage just ran out on her phone, but this was the bed we were showing you.
But
Mom,
yeah,
Cody's
I
attacking me.
Stop! You're so.
Such a typical Owen.
Yeah.
Ah!
I'm gonna put a
Guys,
caption.
don't hit each other.
With the rope.
Okay, move.
The bed came.
Huggy, I'm
Stop!
hugging it.
Get away
Stop.
from
I'm
me!
not hugging it.
Okay, let's roll it out. Let's see what it looks like.
That's tiny. Are you
Nice.
sure it's gonna fit in that?
Yeah.
The breeder said to get the medium-sized bed, which I
Would
did.
Chloe fit in
Yeah,
that?
they roll up in there.
Oh, okay.
If it gets too small.
Okay, we will show you the area where we're putting our dog, and we're putting it everywhere.
When it's a puppy, we needed like a smaller area, so
So we're gonna put a gate here.
we have a gate here
And a gate
there. Yeah, I already
And we're
showed
going to we're gonna have to, we're putting this in there.
you. We're gonna have that bed. We may have a few toys. We'll also have a potty thing, but we'll show that later. Okay, so these are probably the 3 toys we are gonna leave out for our dog at first. We're doing all this even though we're not getting until 2 weeks from tomorrow.
We cannot wait, as you can tell.
And there's more stuff we got from our grandparents because we had
Oh, this is chicken flavor.
another, that's chicken flavored. Fun.
Should I just put this stuff in here?
Yeah.
And this? This is to clean up its pee.
Thanks for sharing. Okay, how are you doing, sir?
Great, sir. Pass. Is this
How are you
thing
doing?
chicken flavored?
No.
How about
Ew.
the other thing was though?
Yep.
Okay,
Some other fun toys.
This is perfect.
Okay, so we just watched our first vlog all the way through. I don't think we've watched it all the way through, like done like that. So it's up. You should watch it if you haven't already.
But if they're watching this video, they're probably saw the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now it kind of sounds like there's a lot going on around here. So let's see what people are doing. Allison is, what are you doing? That's cool.
I don't want to go to cheer.
Why not?
Because last time I went to cheer, I kind of got a black
Yo,
eye.
guys, come over here for a sec.
And chipped my tooth.
Okay, let's
See this
see what.
See this Warriors ball? See this Warriors ball? Since it's Warriors and I'm a Kings fan.
Okay, Owen.
I don't know what to wear.
Okay, what is Cody doing?
Basketball!
Oh man, in 10 seconds he only had 1 shot made.
I'm a bully.
Stop.
I'm gonna beat Owen. I'm a bully. I'm beating Owen. Even
Nice
though
job.
he's not here.
And Owen is about to play Fortnite. If you, okay,
I'm the cringy kid.
if you don't play Fortnite, never play it ever,
Then you're just
please.
dumb.
And
Please, just please
if you
play
play Fortnite, just stop, okay? Because
No,
Fortnite
no.
is dumb.
No,
Stop.
it's not. No, it's not.
Okay, I just got back from practice. It was a little rough because I just got back from my injury and I had 2 weeks off from cheer. But we have a competition in not this weekend, but next weekend. So 3 practices. So I'm a little nervous for that, but I think that we will do fine. I think we'll pull together. And the boys went to bed already, and I'm about to go to bed. So that's it for today, and we will see you tomorrow. Okay, so a package came for me in the mail, and I don't know what it is. And just so you know, today's my half birthday. So that's why she's giving it to me today. I can't open it. I was thinking that's like a hydro or something. I don't know. Yay! They're Birkenstocks.
Wait, keep all stuff together in case it's not the ones you want.
It's Birkenstocks. Yay.
Birkenstocks.
Stocks. Birkenstocks.
Oh, the color you wanted?
Yeah. Okay, these are the Birkenstocks that I got. They are the Arizona Mocha ones. And my feet are like really small and skinny, so my feet look a little weird with it. But you know, it's fine. So I really like them, and yeah.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, good night, good evening, good Hanukkah, good Christmas, good
Okay, so basically,
Easter.
you're walking to Taco Bell.
And why did you say all this stuff?
Ah! My shoe fell off.
Oh, 2 weeks today, we're getting our dog.
Okay, so we just got our food here. And we got the party box thingy with all soft tacos. And Riley's got-
Enchilada burrito.
And then we got our drinks, and Cody's getting his right now. And looks good. So, yeah. Was it good?
Oh yeah. Hey guys, what's up?
Okay, so now we are walking back from Taco Bell, and I spilled on my shirt, and I was really sad.
I'm super spurry.
And Cody's really cold, and so now I feel awkward vlogging. So, okay, so I just got back from the basketball game, and they won. And our halftime routine was pretty good. Some mess ups, but overall it was pretty good. Mom, was it? How did you feel
I
about
thought
it?
it was good.
Yeah, it was okay. And that was my second.
Taking a video of it for the vlog.
No, it's okay. So, Riley's upstairs. What is Riley doing?
I'm probably watching Netflix.
And Cody's playing video games, and Owen is at his friend's house, right? Owen's not having a sleepover. And
Right. And Cody has to use the bathroom poo.
Hey, don't get that.
okay, I'll take it out. So I think that's it for the night. We're just gonna hang out, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is 5:25, and we have not vlogged today yet. Sorry about that. Today has been like a working day where we just like got all the Christmas decorations down, and we like go full out for Christmas. So we have a lot of decorations, and so we got it all down, I'm pretty sure. And that's all we've been doing today. So the boys are about to head to the Kings and Warriors game with our grandpa, and me, my mom, and my grandma are going to go out to dinner. So that is fun. And yesterday I forgot to tell you guys, but I got out my tooth. Remember when I was going to the dentist, and my mom's gonna give me $35 now because I got out my tooth. This one right here. And I just can't wait till all my teeth grow in and I only have one more baby tooth. And yes, we are behind on teeth. Like I said before. Yeah. And also, the dog collar, like the little chain thing, not the chain thing, but like the thing that goes on the bottom of the collar that says its name and like all our information, that came in today, but we're not going to show you because we are not going to reveal the name of the dog until we get it. So
Okay, so we are going to the Warriors-Kings game tonight at Golden One, and we got 2 Warriors fans with us. This is one of them.
Hey.
And we got 2
Oh, nice.
Kings fans. The Kings are obviously gonna win, right, Cody?
Yeah!
Oh.
Get out of here. Get out of
Warriors
here.
all the way.
Get out of here, Warriors fan. Come on, Warriors
So,
fan. Yeah,
we're heading
yeah,
out.
Kings fan. Yeah, you even said fan.
Look how
Oh, wait.
You said get out of here.
Wait, hold on.
It's perfect.
Hold on. I missed counted.
The handlebars are a little offset. So.
It's called love.
So we actually have 3 Kings fans with us and 2 Warriors. Here's another Kings fan. So, yeah.
Boo, Kings, boo.
Who's gonna win, Mom?
Probably the Warriors.
What? Hey, Mom.
Hey, yeah.
I didn't say.
Hey.
We just got dropped off at Golden One, and it is raining and cold.
15. Spin that wheel of fun. We got coupons. We got a lot of prizes. It's just a good.
What just happened, Zoe?
I got on TV.
Cody.
Yeah, Cody, you should have been with me. I got on TV.
Stopping by our dad's office.
I have to go pee.
Maybe I'll pick this office up. Come on, Joe.
Yeah, you guys get some.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
Come over here.
You guys want to get Rod? Get some.
Tahoe
coffee.
pictures. I'm
I
not
just need
thirsty
to-
Oh,
yet.
Rod, you can fill it up.
Christmas
Okay.
card. Let's see what else is in here. Some giant stuff. There used to be more giant stuff. What happened?
It's like right here.
Oh, there it is. And Dad's work area.
Hey guys, I'll show you where the bathroom is.
Yeah, I know where it is.
I don't know who that is.
Here, I'll show you where the water. Rod, come here and get some water now.
Cody and
Right,
all the
come get some water.
Christmas
Let's get
cards.
going. Come on.
Okay. Gotta do it for the vlog though, man. Gotta vlog your office. This is interesting. You're here every day. This picture right here is a classic. Okay, so we are back from the game, and it is Saturday night, so that is the end of our vlog for this week. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys all next week.